Hi guys, this is how to reset service reminder of Hyundai Kona 2.0 no turbo 2023 model. First is ignition on. See, there's a service required warning. Press this button, go to settings, and then convenience, click the center, down and up, and then center, then service interval, then service interval, then reset, yes. See, 15,000 kilometers 1 year. Okay, thank you so much. I hope this video will help you. Only this button, down, okay, center, and then this one, go to settings. Okay, goods, bye bye.